Hi, this is your cooking doctor Kamal Mehta, and today I am going to make my tried and tasty Palak Matar recipe. So we shall talk about it in a while. Let's not waste our time and start into cooking. Now I have put the flame on low, and here I am adding 2 teaspoons of ghee, and we will let it warm. The pan is heated with the ghee in it. Now we will add about 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. But do not burn it. Keep a check on that. While this is happening, we will put in 2 green chilies into it. You can hear the spluttering noise. Now before it gets burnt, we shall put in 2 onions which are roughly chopped. And give it a quick stir. Now you are seeing this is roughly chopped because we are going to blend it after all. So it doesn't matter the size of the onions cut into this. We will let it become little translucent, that is light pink in color, and then we will add in our washed and drained palak into it. Now my friends, we are making Palak Matar, as you can see. So palak is green vegetable and it's very rich in iron and folic acid. And similarly, green peas I have boiled and kept. And this is also very rich in thiamine, vitamin C, riboflavin, as well as it's a dietary fiber. And it is very high in vitamin K. So it is very good to use even peas, but yes, during diet and all for Weight Watchers, it's a little high in calories. But as I told you, a little of everything is always welcome. And if you indulge more, do your workouts. About half a teaspoon of salt in the beginning, such that the palak can also get wilted faster. And we will also add our garlic ginger paste. You can use fresh, or you can use, as I am using, of Smith & Jones or Dabur. And we will now again saute it till the raw smell of onion garlic goes away. Now you can see it is becoming nice and light pink in color. And now to this I will add in my palak, which is, as I told you, washed and drained. Now this is half kilo palak that I have used. For about 4 to 5 people can have this dish. Now you are seeing it's right till the top. We will lower the flame and we will not bother because it will wilt and become very little in about 10-15 minutes. We will keep it covered. Moving the lid, and now we are seeing, are you all seeing, my friends, that the palak has wilted and it's become such small quantity. Now in 5 minutes we shall remove this in a blender and we will blend this whole thing and make a paste out of it. Same vessel from which we took out the palak, we will add in another 2 teaspoons of ghee. You can use olive oil butter, anything that you want to. Now we will let this ghee heat up. Then we will add in our masalas. Now once this ghee is heated, we will add in 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll keep the flame low. We will add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 2 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. That is according to your taste. If you want it more spicy, you can later on taste and put more red chili powder. But we have green chilies also, which we have put 2, so you be careful on that. And put half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And we will put 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Now we will sort this masalas, but please be careful that it does not get burnt. Now this is a very quick recipe. It does not take more than half an hour to make this recipe, and keto people or any other people can have it. You can add paneer into it, you can add corn into it, and you can make it as another dish altogether. Now to this masala, we are going to add in our blended palak, which I had showed you. And give it a quick stir. To the blender, we'll add in little water, and we will clean our blender and put it into our pan. Now we will cover it and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we will add our matar into it. Now you are seeing these boils are coming on it. Now we will add into it around 1 tablespoon of cream. If you do not want to add, you can skip this part. But you will see that it is lightly changing the color of our palak, and it will give it a nice whitish green color, and obviously taste to it. Now to this we will add in our boiled matar. Now at this stage you can add in your paneer cubes, which you can just add in as it is, or you can saute it or fry it and then add, or you can add boiled corns in it, whatever you want. Now we will taste this for our spices, and we will add in if we require anything more. It's perfect, we don't require anything. And now we will leave it covered for around 5 minutes for the matar to soak up the palak. And that's it, my friends. After 5 minutes, I will show you the final outcome of it. After 10 minutes, we will take out the lid and we will put off our flame. And there you are seeing lovely jhatpat palak matar is ready to serve. And now on this you can add a dash of cream also if you want to. So please do try my tried and tasty jhatpat palak matar recipe, and do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.